Dr. Men believes that true healing begins when appetite returns. The path to health starts with the simple joy of wanting to eat again, restoring balance within the body and mind.
Zhongyan, 53, appeared frail and sorrowful. Diagnosed with pulmonary bulla, she lacked appetite and was burdened by doubts. Her sister's support led her to Dr. Men's clinic for guidance. 3 weeks later, Zhong returned. Her diagnosis confirmed old tuberculosis, just as Dr. Men suspected. For the first time, she smiled, saying, "I feel like eating again." Dr. Men explained, tuberculosis bacteria thrive when your nutrition is poor. Strengthen your body, but not too quickly. Appetite signals improved energy and balance, but progress must be gradual. The prescription aimed to support the digestive function while cultivating the vital energy. Ingredients like Tai Shen and ginger enhanced her appetite, laying the foundation for steady recovery. Feeling hungry marked more than physical improvement. Zhang's optimism grew, her confidence returning. Wanting to eat reflected the renewal of her energy and spirit, a true milestone on her path to health.